Hi, good evening. My name is Melanie Bennett, and I'm here tonight to present the Hardy E. Callaway Memorial Scholarship. I'm the granddaughter of Hardy E. Callaway and the president of the Memorial Scholarship. I'd like to first share a little bit about my grandfather and about our scholarship before presenting our award here tonight. Hardy graduated from Fairhope High in 1960. He was the captain of the football team, the president of the student council, Mr. Fairhope High. He was in the Future Farmers of America and a Key Club member. While I never had the opportunity to meet him, I've heard countless stories of Hardy's encouragement to others, his teamwork, as well as his sense of humor. After graduation, Hardy decided to join the Army, where he originally trained as a medic. He later went on to Armor OCS, where he graduated at the top of his class, followed by flight school, and eventually he trained as a Cobra helicopter pilot. On March 18, 1969, Hardy and his co-pilot came under enemy fire and were shot down in Vietnam. 6 years ago today, my grandmother, E. Callaway, who's here with me tonight, started the Hardy E. Callaway Scholarship Fund. I want to say a quick thank you to all of our generous donors who have allowed us to continue the scholarship over the last 6 years. Every year, our committee spends countless hours reviewing all of your applications and reviewing the letters of recommendations and the essays. We're grateful to every applicant that spent time talking about teamwork, talking about how we might honor our veterans, and also just more about their hopes and their dreams and futures beyond graduation. Our scholarship for 2024 is being presented to a Fairhope High senior that exemplifies Hardy's life in many ways. Our recipient has balanced extracurricular activities, academic requirements, in addition to employment. Words used to describe her have been trustworthy, hardworking, professional. She plans to study criminal justice this fall. I'm truly honored tonight to present the 2024 Hardy E. Callaway Memorial Scholarship to Riley Elizabeth Davis.